In this video, we're going to be working on two open hand techniques, palm strike and knife hand strike. Let's begin. Let's start with palm strike. Palm strike can be done from a number of different angles. It can be done going downwards. It can be done going straight ahead. It can even be done going upwards and even to the side. In this video, we're going to be studying palm strike going down, middle, and up. Start with your right hand, fingers together, tuck your thumb, and curl the top of those fingertips. And once you have a very tight knife hand, I'd like you to pull those fingers back so that from the side you see an angle with the same hand position but just a bent wrist. That's going to be our hand position for palm strike. We're doing this because we want the heel of our hand to be leading towards the target. So when we strike something, we don't want the fingers to go ahead. We want the heel of our hand always to be out in front. For palm strike going down, imagine that you're breaking slabs of concrete, going straight down using all of your energy. For palm strike going forward, I want you to imagine that you're using this strike on an opponent in front of you on their chest, straight out. And for palm strike high section, the exact aim point will either be the chin going up or the nose, boom, right there with your palm strike. So we have low, we have middle, and we have high. Now one other thing. When one hand is striking, the other hand, I want you to reach towards that target before you throw that palm. So if I'm palming straight down, then this opposite hand, your left hand, will be reaching almost as a way to aim where my palm is going to go. So I take that hand and I aim and I take my palm and I start with the palm up and I get it ready. And when we strike down, you switch places. Then we set up for the next target, which is the middle. Then you switch them. We set up for the high section, and we switch them again. So we're going to go low, middle, and high 5 times. So 1, 2, 3 is one set. We'll do a total of 5 sets with both hands. Get your right palm ready. Upside down, palm up. Left hand, reach to the target. Bend your knee. Let's begin. Hana! Aya! 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 둘! Aya! 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 셋! Aya! 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 넷! Aya! Aya! 아야! 다섯! 아야! 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 Switch feet. 아야! Take your left hand upside down, palm up. Right hand reach to the target. Let's begin. Same thing. 아야! 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 둘! 아야! 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 셋! 아야! 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 넷! 아야! 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 Last one. 다섯! 아야! 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 Excellent job with the palm strike. Now let's move on to knife hand strike. Similar to palm strike, knife hand strike has downward strikes, it has forward strikes, and it even has side strikes as well. In this video, let's introduce knife hand strike going across. So it's going to look like this. Aya! Aya! Let's begin. Start with your right hand with a proper knife hand and the elbow out. Set up near your ear And bring that elbow in and twist outwards about as high as your own neck. Remember, our opponent is going to be in front of us, and you're aiming to the side of their neck. So have that in mind. Have your elbow out, proper knife hand, and twist. Bring that elbow inward, elbow in, but let your hand extend out. Extend out in front, but do not make it fully straight. You can have a slight bend in your elbow. Again, from here, out. This time set up. Take the other hand to aim to the target, and now pull back so we can generate more speed and power. Again, ready, go. Let's do the same thing with the other side. Take your left hand, make a proper knife hand. Take your right hand and reach towards the target, and switch them together. And set up again. Go. Check your hand position last time. Go. Now let's use our whole body to generate more speed and power throwing this technique. From a kicking stance, we're going to set up, we're going to reach, but this time you're going to step slightly to the side so that we can use our hips and shoulders and really let this knife hand release with our full power. So, start with a kicking stance. Get your hand ready with one hand reaching and the right hand ready. And when I say go, step out and let that knife hand go. So instead of stopping at the target, let it pass through like you're slicing right through it. Hands up. Set up. Go. Let's do 5 of our best knife hands with both our right hand and the left hand. Focus. Ready. 하나. 아야. 둘. 아야. 셋. 아야. 넷. 아야. 다섯. Now the other side, hands, and turn, look to your other direction. Left hand out, remember we will step out and cut across with the proper knife hand position. 5 times, let's go strong, yell loud. Ready? Aya! Aya! And reset. Aya! 셋! 넷! 아야! Last one. 다섯! 아야! Great job in making it through this session. You're going to need to practice knife hand and palm strike a lot on your own. You may have to rewatch this video several times because it's easy to practice in the air, but when I actually put a board in front of you in class or a target or something stronger, it's going to take all of your concentration to make sure you can do these techniques effectively without injuring yourself. Practice hard, and I'll see you in the next one.